there and welcome back. I've got 6 inches done of my headband, and I just wanted to say that the wrapper we saved earlier from the yarn has a measuring tape in it, so if you want to use that, I've got about 6 inches. It's a little over, but I just wanted to pause here and talk about some things that may go wrong while you are crocheting. So, if your side is going in like this, means you're going you're skipping too many when you come in. Also, it may mean that you're forgetting to do your turning chain, and then when you go back, you skip one and start going, and that will narrow up your rows. If your rows are getting too big, that means you're either forgetting to skip the turning chain and you're working in the turning chain and the regular chain, and that will add one per row. You just want to make sure that you have 10 each row going across. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we still have 10, so we know we're doing something right. Also, I wanted to show you how to count rows. You can see where the stitches end and begin on the row, and every 2 rows you get this little nice row of bumps. And so we'll count this as row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So currently we have 10 rows and 10 stitches. It's almost a square, but the rows are a little bit higher than the stitches are wide, so it's a little bit rectangular. Alright, so it's obviously not big enough to go around anybody's head, even stretched out. So we're going to keep going, and you'll want to keep going until you can hold this up around your head and kind of put it around the back of your head and bring it to the front. And we'll keep going like this until you can bring it around to the front. I'll show you on the example here of the one I've already finished. It is, let's see, how big is my head? Pretty big. Okay. So this is almost 11 inches. This is about, you can see that it's about the edge. It's about 11 inches. So the whole thing is about 22 inches long. And that is stretched out to go around my head before I finished it. So you'll want to, either you can measure your head and say, okay, I need it this many inches. That would use a different measuring tape than this one, or you could use this one, go around your head and do it again. Or the way I like to do it is just as you're crocheting and making it longer, just hold it up to your head and see when it meets at your forehead. So when this is at your forehead and then this side is also at your forehead, wrapped around your head, you know you're done. So I'm going to keep going, and I'll check back in when it is time to finish. Thank you so much. See you later.